Hi guys, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today onwards, we are starting the HTML tutorial for beginners. Okay, today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topics are what is HTML, what is tag, what is element, and basic structure explanation. Okay, before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, PHP, SQL, and digital marketing tutorials also provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic. Okay, what is HTML? First of all, what is HTML? HTML is an acronym which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language, which can be used to develop the HTML web pages and web applications. It can be used to develop the web pages and web applications. Okay, next, what is hypertext? Hypertext simply means text within the text. Hypertext hypertext simply means text within the text. Text within the text. Text within the text. Hypertext means simply text within the text. A text has a link within it. Text has a link within it. How to create the link with the text, I will explain in the next classes. Presently, hypertext means text within the text, and a text has a link within it. A text has a link within it. It is called as a hypertext. A text has a within link. It is called as a hypertext. Whenever you click on the link, which brings you to the another web page. Whenever you click on the link, it brings to the another web page. Okay. Next, what is markup? Markup is a computer language. It is used to apply the layout, formatting, and conventions. Markup. Markup is a computer language. Markup is a computer language that is used to apply layout and layout and formatting conventions to a document. Okay, markup means markup. It is a computer language that is used to apply layout and formatting conventions to a document. We are write the document in the simple English. It will be converted to the ASCII values. ASCII values will be converted to the machine language. Machine language to another English language. Okay. Next, what is web page? Language means simple English language. Language means simple English language. Simple English language. Okay, next, web page. Web page is a document which is commonly written in HTML. Web page. Web page is a document. Web page is a document. It is written in HTML. Web page is a document. It is written in HTML. and translated by a web browser, and translated by a web browser. Okay, and translated by a web browser. Web page can be off of the static or dynamic web pages. Web page can be off of the static or dynamic web pages. With the help of HTML, we can write the only static web pages. With the help of HTML, with the help of HTML, we can write, we can create or write. We can create or write only. We can create or write only static web pages. Okay. Okay. Once I will repeat the what is HTML. HTML is an acronym which stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. Which is used to create the websites and web applications. HTML can be used to develop the websites and web applications. What is the meaning of hypertext? Okay, hypertext, text within the text. Text within the text means a text has a link within its. It is a hypertext. Hypertext means text within a text. Text within a text means a text has a link within it. Is called as a hypertext. Whenever you click on the link, that link brings to the another web page. Okay. Next, markup. Markup is a simple computer language that is used to apply the layout and formatting conventions to a document. Okay. Layout, HTML page, how to create the HTML page, total entire layout of the web page can be web page. Okay. Next, language. Language means simple English language. Next, what do you mean by web page? What do you mean by web page? Web page is a document. It is written in the HTML and translated by a web browser. Web page is a document. It is written in HTML and translated by a web browser. Web browsers are like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Edge. Those are called as a web browsers. With the help of HTML, we can create the only static and static web pages. Okay, with the help of HTML, we can create the static and dynamic web pages or static and dynamic websites also. But with the help of HTML, only HTML, we can create the static web pages. Okay, next, what is the tag? What is the tag? Simply, this is the left angular bracket, and next we can write the tag name. Next, closing tag. Okay, left angular bracket / and P. This is the P is the paragraph tag. So this is the tag. Okay, what is the use of tag? Tag tells to the browser how to display the output. This tag, this tag tells to the browser. This tag tells to the browser how to display the output. How to display the output. Okay. Suppose we can write in P tag. It is showing the paragraph tag. Suppose we are writing the heading tags like H1 to H6. H1 to H6. It is shown in heading tags. Okay. This is the tags. What is the tag? This is called as a tag. Okay. This is called as a tag. This tag tells to the browser. This tag tells to the browser how to display the output. How to display the output. It tells to the browser. Browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and etc. Next, what is element? We can write any content in between the tag. We can write any content in between the tag is called a element. Okay, this is the starting tag P. This is the starting tag, and we can write some content here, some content. Okay, some content before ending the tag. Okay, before ending the tag, we can write anything. This is called as a element. Okay, this is element. Okay, this is tag. This is tag. Tag tells to the browser how to display the output element. Okay, next basic structure explanation. How to write the basic structure? I will write in Notepad. Okay, this is the basic structure. Doc type HTML. What is the use of? First, I will write the basic structure. Next, I will explain this. Okay, HTML language. ENUS. Next, head. Title. Closing head tag. Next, body. Close the body tag. Next, close the HTML. Okay. Here, first line doc type HTML. Doc type HTML tells to the browser which version we can write in the HTML document. First one, doc type HTML. Doc type HTML tells to the browser, tells to the browser which version of HTML can be written in the HTML document or file. HTML document or file. Okay. What is the use of doc type HTML? Doc type HTML tells to the browser which version of HTML can be written in the HTML document or file. Doc type tag can be introduced in the HTML5. Okay. HTML5. Doc type HTML have no end tag, only starting tag. It is a self-closing tag. Doc type HTML only starting tag, no end tag. Okay. Next one. HTML. Next one, HTML. HTML tag informs the browser that is an HTML document. HTML tag tells to the HTML tag informs or tells. HTML tag informs the browser that is an HTML document. That is an HTML document. HTML tag informs the browser that is an HTML document. It is a container for all other elements. HTML tag is a container. First start the HTML tag and end with the HTML tag. So it is a container for all the elements, all the other elements. HTML tag except the doc type HTML, remaining all other elements are in HTML tag. Okay. Just like HTML is a container of other elements. And next one, head tag. And next one, head tag. Head is the first tag after the HTML tag. Head is the first tag. Head is the first tag after the HTML tag. In the head section, we can write meta information about the document. In the head tag, we can write meta information about the tag. Sorry, meta information about the file or document. Meta information about the file or document. Meta information means data about data. Data about data means who are developed by this website and why this are developed by the website and which technologies are used to develop this website. Complete information about the website. Okay. Complete information about the website we can provide in head tag. Next, title. In the head section, we can write the title. Title is a simply name suggested for the website. Title is a simply it is a suggested name for the website, as it's suggested and this is suggested. It is used to add title of that HTML page. Okay, that HTML page which appears at the top of the browser window. Which appears at the top of the browser window. First, I can save this. I can save this in on desktop sample dot extension. HTML file can be saved with the dot HTML extension. Okay, sample HTML. Here I am write the SHS Tech Solutions in H1 heading. SHS Tech Solutions, and next one please like, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Okay. If you want to learn any web technologies course, contact me. Okay, once I will check the output. Yeah, this is the sample. Yeah, this is the output. Here we are write the title tag. Title. We cannot provide the any name. SHS Tech Solutions. Okay, SHS Tech Solutions. Just refresh it. Title can be appears at the top of the browser window. Yeah, okay. Title can be appear at the top of the browser window. Next, H1. H1 is the heading tag. SHS Tech Solutions. Please, next P is the paragraph tag. Please like, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Okay, next one is the if you want to learn any web technologies course, contact me. Okay, this is my number. Okay, guys, this is the basic structure. Okay, in this tutorial, we are cover what is HTML and what is tag, what is element, and basic structure explanation. I hope we all understand how to start the HTML. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to close the topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing tutorials also. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.